Hello friends, we will discuss about four data types in Python. Okay, so first one is list, second one is tuples, third one is sets, and the fourth one is dictionary. Okay, why we need this? So we need these data types to store multiple value in a single variable. Okay, so let's start with list. I will give you examples also how it is done and how we can get the results out of it also. So let's discuss about the first data type, which is list. Okay, so list are order and and changeable. Changeable is mutable. Okay, so what do you mean by do I mean by mutable? Let me show you an example. So these are the lists which is storing four fruits. What are they? Banana, guava, papaya, and guava again. So let's delete this guava once again. Okay. So the list has three fruits. Okay, banana, guava, and papaya. Okay. So let's print it. How to print this? Using the print variable. Okay, just comment it out. Okay, just comment these sections. Just print this one. Okay. So you see this is printing these three fruits: banana, guava, and papaya. Okay. So it's storing all these to a single variable which is called list. Okay. So what are the other characteristics of the list? It is order and changeable. We can change it. Okay. And mutable. Mutable. Let's see what will happen if I add another list. How to add another fruit into it? So how can you do it? This is start from 0. So this one is 0, this one is 1, this one is 2. So everything starts from 0. Index is start from 0. Okay. So what will it print if I do? Let's see if I do it like this one. Hold on. If I do it print, say let's 0. Okay, and just comment it out, guys, and then run this one. What will it print? It will print banana. Okay, so this is the first index, okay, which start from 0. Let's comment it out again. And how to assign a value? How to assign a value? This like this. So list 0, this one will be changed by another value which is apple. So banana will be replaced by this. Okay, so let's see if it works or not. This works. Banana is replaced by apple, guava, and papaya. So this is what it means, mutable. Okay, so how to append another value to, you want to add another value to it. So let's do that also. You can do like this. Let's dot append. You can add a new value, append. So just run this, but we need to print it also. Okay, so in order to print, we need to use this print statement. You see, new value is added, orange. You see. Okay, if you want to remove something, we can do like this, dot remove, and the value which we want to remove, that is guava. So let's remove it. Let's run it. So it's clear: banana, papaya, and orange. How to add a value, how to remove a value, and how we can assign a value to a list variable. So this is clear. So let's move to the second part. Let's comment it out. And also do remember, list are means here we use square brackets. You see here we use square brackets. Okay. Next one is tuples. What kind of data type it is? It is ordered, but it is unchangeable, immutable in nature, and it has round brackets. These are the round brackets. So I have taken here three fruits in this single variable, which is called tuples: banana, guava, and papaya. We can have colors name also, or whatever as per our needs. If we print this one, simply print this one, okay, what will happen? Let's print this one. Let's comment it out first. Let's print this one. What will happen? Banana, guava, and papaya. You see, okay. So let's assign like the earlier what we read list. So this is tuples. So this is unchangeable. So let's just assign this 0th index a new value which is called apple. Okay, and then use this print as well. Just comment this once. Okay, you see we are assigning a new value which is apple in place of the first index which is currently banana. Let's run it. You get an error. Why you get an error? Because tuple to a list and list back to a tuple. If we want to assign a value, we first need to convert this to a list and then list back to tuples. So indirectly object does not support item assignment. What object? Tuple objects, which I said earlier that tuples are immutable. Okay, so this is very clear that tuples are immutable. It is clearly shown also in the error report that tuple object does not support item assignment, but whereas the list does. That's why we could assign it. Okay, so let's comment it out. Sorry, and okay, and then run it so that we get the correct out. Okay, so tuples are also covered. List and tuple both are covered. Third one is sets. Sets are unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. It is not indexed like this too. Okay, and it used to have curly brackets. So these are the name of color: red, yellow, green, blue. Okay, so if we print this one, so what will be great? Let's print it. We get the name of this color which we have assigned. Okay, so let's see if we as it says it doesn't index. If we print the set the 0th index element, what it prints? Let's see. It's very interesting. Okay, let's run it. It doesn't. Okay, so what is set object is not subscriptable. Okay, so so you see why it is not printing, because it doesn't index. Okay, so how to add the next question is how to add an item to a sets. Just do this like this, sets.add. If you want to add a new value to this variable, just do this and then print it after that. Okay, new value is added. Here you see new value is added. Okay, let's remove green from here. So how do you do that? Just do this sets this and then sets. Okay, green is removed. So this is how you can add and this is how you can remove. Okay, remember, use curly brackets. Okay, and also remember that it is unchangeable and unindexed. Okay, and unordered. Okay, so three data types are covered: list, tuples, and sets. Okay, so let me sum up this in a very few words. In list we can change the order, and also we can assign value like this. You see we can assign it also. Okay, because it is mutable in nature. Okay, but tuples are not mutable in nature, they are immutable. Immutable means we cannot assign this. You see, we cannot assign this to 0th index, we cannot assign this apple value. Okay, so and when we say the sets are unindexed, and also if in order to add and remove we use a different function. Here we use add and here we use remove. In case of list we use append to add a value, and in order to remove we use remove also. So remove, the functions are same, but in order to add something, in list we add append, and in sets we use add. Okay, so now let's move to, and also their means denotation is different. In sets we use curly brackets, In tuples we use round brackets, and in list we use square brackets. Okay, so now come to dictionary. What is dictionary? Here you see the value dictionary, which dictionary word. It store both key and value pairs. Okay, this is key and this is value. Key value, key value, key value. So this is dictionary. It's very means in a simple way. This is dictionary. Okay, in Python 3.6 and earlier it is unordered, but in latest Pythons it is ordered. Okay, it is ordered in Python's latest Python after 3.7, including 3.7, and after that these are ordered. Okay, so let's print this one first. Print this dictionary. Okay, let's print it. It print this key value pair. Okay. If you want to add a new key and value to this pair, so how can you do it? You can do it like this. There is no add, no append. Where we use append, we use append in the first one, list. Where we use add in sets. Okay, so here we are just means we are taking the key name here and then putting the value just after this key one. Okay, so let's run it. So how to run it? Just put this one just below it. Remember to print like this. Okay, so here you see wheels are added. Wheels is added, not wheels is added. Wheels is the key and its value is 4. Okay, so this is the property of a car. Okay, so which is added. So let's, if we want to remove this, what we want to remove this, let's remove the color. So how to do it? We use pop here. In dictionary we use pop. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, you see there is no color key, either there is a color key or not its value. Okay, so you see it has the correct value. So we covered so how is dictionary different from the these three, list, tuples and sets? Dictionary holds the key and pair values, but it's only stored this is the you can single thing. You see, you understand what I mean? Here you see it's not in a key pair mode. Okay, the key pair mode is this one. Okay, and also this is ordered. Okay, and how to add this? You add this a new item like this. Okay, and how to remove this? You need to do .pop. Okay, so this is what it's all about. If you have any question, just write it down in the comment section. I will try to clear it as per my knowledge. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys. Thank you.